So now you want to keep an eye on that traffic because we're going to make a left lane change and a left turn at the lights. Now everybody's stepping on the gas. They all love to trap you like that. Smart guy. Him, guy behind you. Let's make a left turn. Now what's he gonna do? Climb over top of us here or what?
Yeah, I don't know.
Now, that is very typical when you're driving a driving school car.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they see the signal and they step on the gas. They don't want to let you in front of them.
Yeah.
So just be aware of that on your road tests. It could happen.
Right.
Searching for greatness.